Tonight, folks, tonight, I'm here to tell you a story. The story of the scariest dump I ever took. As I recall, it was the night of the full moon. I had just finished booting up my computer. Trust me, she's a classic. When the all-B glee club next door started tuning up. And let me tell you, that stuff always gives me a pounding headache. So I hopped in my car and got the hell out of there. But I hadn't even gotten a mile away when I realized it was time to obey a biological urge. Yes, folks, it was brown alert time. So I pulled into this sleazy looking roadhouse, and let me tell you, that crowd there looked pretty rough. But a man's gotta do what a man's gotta do, so it was full speed ahead. The picture of nonchalance, I made my way to the men's room and opened the door. Then, after asserting my dominance over the largest of the cockroaches, I was finally able to sit down and do my business. And let me tell you, I felt pretty great. Oh, thank you. You're too kind. And that's it, folks. The story, nay, the legend, of the scariest dump I ever took. Although there was that one time in Grenada